Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello everyone! Welcome to Lawag City, the jewel of Ilocos Norte, and home to one of the region's most enduring symbols of faith, the St. William the Hermit Cathedral. This channel is your gateway to the rich history, deep spirituality, and hidden stories of this centuries-old cathedral, a cornerstone of Ilocano culture and Catholic devotion. Whether you're a heritage lover, a spiritual seeker, or just curious about one of the Northern Luzon's most iconic churches, you've found the right place. So stick around and journey with us into the soul of Lawag through the life and legacy of St. William the Hermit Cathedral. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. St. William's Cathedral, more commonly known as Lawag Cathedral, is a prominent Roman Catholic church located in Lawag City, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. It served as the seat of the Diocese of Lawag, making it an important religious center in the region. Ang unang simbahan sa Lawag ay itinayo ng mga misyonaryong Agustino noong 1580. Sa simula, ito ay isang simpleng estruktura na yari sa kahoy at kugon. Noong 1612, sinimulan ng mga Agustino ang pagtatayo ng mas matibay na simbahan na gawa sa bato. Ito ang pundasyon ng kasalukuyang simbahan na ating nasaksihan ngayon, na pumalit sa orihinal na kapilyang yari sa kahoy. A fire in 1843 severely damaged the church. Restoration work was carried out between 1873 and 1880 by the Obras Publicas under the supervision of Engineer Antonio de la Cámara and Father Santiago Muñez. The church was briefly occupied by Filipino revolutionaries in 1898 and later by American forces in 1899. Sa panahong ito, naging paksa ng pagkatalo ang pagmamay-ari ng simbahan sa pagitan ng Simbahang Katoliko-Romano at ng Simbahang Aglipayano. Sa huli, nanatili sa Simbahang Katolika-Romano ang karapatan at pagmamay-ari ng simbahan. When the Diocese of Lawag was established in 1961, the church was officially designated as a cathedral. Renovations effort took place in 1936, 1971 to 1972, and after minor damage from an earthquake in 1983. Lawag Cathedral is known for its Italian Renaissance architectural style. The facade is unique with two stories, each supported by paired columns flanking a central arch entrance. Sa isang nicho sa itaas, makikita ang imahe ni San Guillermo el Ermitaño, ang patron ng lungsod. The cathedral features windows made from copy shells framed with wrought iron screens typical of colonial Filipino church architecture. Inside the cathedral has a main retablo and two smaller sides retablos. The image of St. William is placed prominently in the main altar's lower level. One of the cathedral's most notable landmarks is its sinking bell tower located nearby. The tower is believed to have been built after the 1707 earthquake. It features a deep foundation measuring about 90 meters or 300 feet. It was constructed using local bricks banded with molasses, juice from sablot leaves, lime, and sand. The tower is further supported by massive corner columns. Dahil sa tibay nito sa kabila ng maraming lindol, itinuturing ang kampanaryong bilang isang halimbawa ng arkitekturang earthquake baroque. Kilala rin ito sa unti-unting paglubog na humigit kumulang 1 pulgada kada taon. Marahil ay dahil sa malambot na pundasyong lupa. Noon, may malaking orasan ito sa kanlurang bahagi ng tore. St. William's Cathedral is not only a center of faith for the people of Ilocos Norte, but also a valuable piece of Philippine heritage. Its rich history, distinctive architectural style, and unique features like the sinking bell tower make it a fascinating subject for study in both religious and historical contexts. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Muhammad Ali, don't quit, suffer now, and live the rest of your life as a champion. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Mr. Binhamin Adala and Rahim Samraida di Mapalaw all the way from Pakistan. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, photoscreedats2, porkintheroad.blogspot.com, www.tripadvisor.com, and more fun with Juan in wordpress.com. Inspirational quote credits to www.lifehack.org.